Here's a step-by-step outline of what you need to know and do if you're planning to use a bill of exchange, BoE right parenthesis for a transaction in the UK. 1. Understand what a bill of exchange is. A bill of exchange is a written, unconditional order from one party, the drawer, to another, the drawee, to pay a fixed sum to a third party, the payee, at a specified date or on demand. Bullet. It must be signed by the drawer. Bullet. It must state the amount to be paid clearly. Bullet. It must specify the payee or be payable to bearer. Bullet. It must identify the drawee, who is expected to accept and pay. Footnote. You begin by grasping that a bill of exchange is essentially a negotiable instrument used as a payment order under UK law. 2. Draft the bill of exchange properly. To be valid under UK law, your BoE should include bullet date and place of issuance, bullet name and address of the drawee, e.g., the bank or debtor, bullet amount in figures and words, bullet date of payment, or state on demand, bullet payee name, bullet drawer's signature, bullet optional. Endorsee fields. If the instrument will be transferred, you should avoid vague terms and ensure the bill is unconditional. Use language like pay to the order of payee the sum of pounds amount on date. Footnote. You must create the bill using clear, legally compliant language to ensure it is enforceable under the 1882 Act. 3. Present the bill for acceptance, optional. If the drawee is not a bank, and especially if the bill is payable in the future, you may want them to accept the bill by signing it. This step, bullet confirms their agreement to pay, bullet turns the drawee into the acceptor, now legally liable, bullet strengthens your claim if you need to enforce payment later. Note. Acceptance is not required for demand bills, but strongly recommended for time bills. Footnote. Having the drawee accept the bill by signature ensures enforceability and reduces payment disputes. 4. Deliver or endorse the bill. Once the bill is complete, you can bullet deliver it directly to the payee as payment, bullet or endorse it to a third party by signing the back. In either case, it functions like a check or promissory note and can be negotiated transferred as payment. Footnote. Delivery or endorsement activates the bill as a payment instrument and allows for third-party negotiation. 5. Present the bill for payment. On the due date, the holder, you or the endorsee, must bullet present it in person or via registered mail to the drawee, bullet ask for payment in full and in legal tender. If the drawee fails to pay, the bill is considered dishonored and legal remedies apply. Footnote. You must present the bill on the specified date to demand payment and preserve your right to sue for dishonor. 6. Handle non-payment or dishonor. If the drawee refuses to pay, bullet you can protest the bill, especially if it is being used internationally, bullet then you may sue the acceptor, drawer, or endorsers, depending on the endorsement chain. Bullet under the Bills of Exchange Act, a dishonored BoE may be used as evidence of debt in court. Footnote. When the drawee fails to pay, the law enables you to recover the debt through litigation or enforcement proceedings. 7. Register the bill of exchange, if applicable. Though not required, you may want to bullet notarize the BoE, especially if crossing jurisdictions. Bullet register it with HMRC if it involves stamp duty. Only large value commercial bills usually apply. Bullet retain signed copies with proof of delivery and acceptance. Footnote. While optional, registering and notarizing increases the document's legal weight in disputes. If you want, I can create a UK-compliant bill of exchange template you can edit, print, and use, including options for endorsement, acceptance, and protest. Would you like a downloadable PDF or Word version for that? Also, let me know if you are using this for bullet personal debt, bullet commercial debt, bullet private banking transactions, bullet sovereign creditor remedies.